गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप लोग? तो इन द लास्ट वीडियो वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट formula making. How can we make the formula? I told very simple trick on how to make the formula. So many formula I told you with the examples, and I have given to you also for making yourself. So students, in today's last video, formula making, after that formula making content will get over. So today I will give 10 to 20 examples I am going to give you. So hope that you will take the interest and watch the video continuously, students. Okay students, okay, let's start. So first of all we check the example of students number 1. Ammonium chloride. Second, I am taking ammonium hydroxide. Third example, I am taking ammonium nitrate. So let's start with these three examples. First, I have taken ammonium chloride. Second is ammonium hydroxide, and third is ammonium nitrate. Okay students, so first of all, here we start with the ammonium chloride. Students, here ammonium and chloride. Ammonium chloride is in the form of ammonium and chloride. Students, for the ammonium, I told you that ammonium, here first you write ammonium, and here you write chloride. Symbol for ammonium, students, that formula you can say, group of atoms you can say, that is NH4. And on NH4, one positive charge is there, means valency of ammonium is 1. So valency I am writing here down, here 1. For the chloride, it is Cl for chloride here, Cl ion is there, chlorine ion is there, and on chloride ion we have got only one negative sign, that is given with the -1, but here we are taking only a valency 1. So by the cross multiplication, here we will have the formula for this is NH4Cl. So NH4Cl is the formula for ammonium chloride. Okay students, and now we take another example, that is ammonium hydroxide. Yes students, ammonium, once again ammonium is there. Here we take NH4 again. Here hydroxide, for hydroxide we take OH, this is hydroxide. Ammonium, we know it's +1 charge, so valency of ammonium is 1, valency of hydroxide is also 1. So by the cross multiplication, there is no need also, because if 1 is there, you write directly this NH4OH. So this formula for this ammonium hydroxide is NH4OH. So this is the formula for ammonium hydroxide. And now students, ammonium nitrate, ammonium nitrate, ammonium nitrate. Here students we have got ammonium, यहाँ पे हमारे पास अमोनियम है. तो स्टूडेंट्स अमोनियम का जो सिंबल है दैट वी हैव डन नाउ ओनली, इट इज NH4, NH4. और यहाँ पे नाइट्रेट आ गया स्टूडेंट्स, नाइट्रेट. यहाँ पे आपका नाइट्रेट है NO3. क्या स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे नाइट्रेट है. तो स्टूडेंट्स तो नाइट्रेट की जो वैलेंसी है क्या है, -1 होता है इस पे चार्ज. इस पे चार्ज कितना होता है स्टूडेंट्स, -1, मीन्स वैलेंसी 1 डेफिनेटली. तो हियर अमोनियम वैलेंसी 1, NO3 वैलेंसी 1. तो डेफिनेटली फॉर्मूला NH4NO3. तो फॉर्मूला इज NH4NO3. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर अमोनियम नाइट्रेट. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, if you take silver nitrate, if you want to make the formula for silver nitrate, for silver here we take Ag, for nitrate NO3. So Ag, silver for Ag and nitrate for NO3. Valency of silver here 1 + 1, and here valency of nitrate now only taken that 1. So it is AgNO3, silver nitrate. So formula for silver nitrate is AgNO3. Next friends, we will take like that silver chloride, So here silver, it is Ag. For chloride Cl. Valency of all these halogens like that your chlorine, bromine, your iodine or fluorine, these are the element, and in the ionic form they have got single negative charge. So here one negative charge, here one negative, this negative charge, this negative charge. If they are charged ion, then they are said, they are read in the form of chloride, Br here, bromide, I4, iodide, chloride, You can say in this way. So yes students, Ag and then Cl. Ag silver valency is 1 and chlorine valency also 1. So definitely the formula for this silver chloride AgCl. This is very useful for this in higher classes like the 10th, 11th, 12th and many competitive examinations like that NEET, JEE. And next is silver, like that bromide you want, silver bromide, very important compound. Students, here silver we write with symbol Ag, bromide we write with Br, valencies for both 1 1, no doubt. After the cross multiplication, we will have here AgBr, means silver bromide, here silver chloride. Now next students, like that calcium phosphate, calcium phosphate. If you talk about calcium phosphate or ammonium phosphate, ammonium phosphate, calcium phosphate and ammonium phosphate. For calcium phosphate, for calcium we have to write Ca. For calcium Ca. For phosphate, this is PO4. PO4 means phosphate. Valency of calcium is here 2. Valency is phosphate here 3. Negative 3. If you do cross multiplication, then you have to be very careful now. Because in phosphate, more than 2 type of atoms are present, like that P for phosphorus and O for oxygen. So students, here calcium is in elemental form definitely, but PO4 phosphate here, it's in compound form. So by the cross multiplication, we will have here Ca3, then PO4. If one then more calcium, only single atom. We have written down here 3, no problem. But here in phosphate, more than one atom is there. Here, atom is students here, element, atom of element. Here phosphorus, different element, oxygen, different element. So if more than one element, means if it is in compound form, that time that compound will come in bracket followed by that valency. So here twice will come in this way students. So Ca3 PO4 whole twice. This is the formula for calcium phosphate. Next students, ammonium phosphate. For the ammonium phosphate, the see here ammonium. This ammonium came so many times. It has got repeating again and again this ammonium. So for ammonium we will write here NH4. This is for ammonium. Phosphate again is there. Here we will write PO4. This is for phosphate. Valency of ammonium definitely 1. Valency of phosphate that 3. Now by cross multiplication, we will have here NH4 will come in bracket. Why? Because this is in compound form. Two type of elements are there, nitrogen and hydrogen. So we have to write in bracket if valency is more than 1. And here you have to write 3. Then you have to write PO4 phosphate. So this is the formula for ammonium phosphate, calcium phosphate. This we have done, students. Next, like that, potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. For permanganate, I have told you, students, that is MnO4. It's for permanganate. For potassium, I told you here. If you show the charge, पोटेशियम हैज गॉट 1 पॉजिटिव चार्ज, इसके ऊपर स्टूडेंट्स एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, इसकी वैलेंसी 1 है, तो हियर यू टू राइट डाउन 1 एंड हियर पर मैग्नेट 1 नेगेटिव चार्ज इज देयर, मीन्स वैलेंसी ऑफ पर मैग्नेट इज 1. नाउ by cross multiplication we will have here K MnO4. This is the formula for potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. So many other formulas are there. Like that, sodium aluminate, sodium hydroxide you take, sodium hydroxide, here sodium, here hydroxide. Symbol for sodium Na, for hydroxide it is OH, Valency for the sodium, it's 1. For hydroxide, it's 1. Same thing here now. It is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. One to last example, students. Like that, aluminium bicarbonate, aluminium bicarbonate. Aluminium symbol, students, Al, aluminium. Bicarbonate, HCO3. Symbol for aluminium, that valency for aluminium is 3. Bicarbonate, single negative ion, valency 1. Now cross multiplication, and finally we will have here Al. This HCO3, this is compound form. Write in bracket, it's HCO3 whole thrice. So students, this is aluminium bicarbonate. And now finally 4-5 questions for you, so that at home you can do practice. So today's homework here, students, that you can do the practice for that. So this is for you for practice purpose. This is for your practice purpose. Like that, first calcium nitrate, second calcium sulfite, third aluminium carbonate, fourth sodium sulfate, fifth barium chloride. So these are first, second, third, fourth and fifth. These are 5 questions for you. And students, tomorrow we will start. Tomorrow we will have the video for the next topic. So meanwhile, at home, practice for the all the formula that I have told you, write in fair notebook so that in examination becomes easier for you. Okay students, hope that everything you have got it, whatever I have told you. So up to that, wait, watch and learn. Thank you. Have a nice day.